Welcome. The topic is about MOSFET biasing. We have three types of biasing in FET: fixed bias, self bias, and voltage divider bias. This is the fixed bias circuit. We have a gate resistance and drain resistance. We don't have a source resistance. On simplifying, we will remove the capacitances and the common ground is given here. So Ig equal to 0 since no gate voltage is there. VGG plus VGS, calculate VGS. So when we write the KVL for the input side, VGG plus VGS is equal to 0. So VGS is equal to minus VGG. And drain current formula ID is IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square is constant for all the biasing. Calculate VDS, that we will write KVL in the output side. So it will be VDD minus IDRD minus VDS is equal to 0. So VDS is VDD minus IDRD. The next type of biasing is voltage divider biasing. So we have voltage divider resistors R1 and R2, drain resistance RD, and source resistance RS. Input voltage, output voltage is given through the input and output coupling capacitances C1 and C2, and we have the source bypass capacitance CS. So we draw the circuit removing all the capacitances. So VG is equal to VDD into R2 divided by the total resistance R1 plus R2, and we know Ig equal to 0. For VGS, VG minus KVL for the input side. So it is VG minus VGS minus IDRS is equal to 0. So VGS is equal to VG minus IDRS, and then ID equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. And we write the KVL for the output side to find VDS. It is VDD minus IDRD minus VDS minus IDRS is equal to 0. And so VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into RD plus RS. Q point for voltage divider bias, we have IDQ equal IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. VDSQ is VDD minus ID into RD plus RS, and VGSQ is VG minus IDRS. Third type of biasing is self bias, where we have the source resistance. Similar to fixed bias, we have the source resistance RS also included. In the output V0 is taken here. IS is equal to I0. IS is nearly equal to ID, and VG equal to 0. So VGS KVL in input side. VGS is equal to VG minus VS. So it is minus IS into RS, or minus ID RS. The current across, the voltage across RS is minus ID RS. And then plus IDRS, and so VG minus VS, VGS is equal to minus IDRS. To find ID, IDSS is the same formula, IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. In place of VGS, we write minus IDRS. And then we write KVL in the output side. It is VDD minus IDRD minus VDS minus IDRS is equal to 0, from which we write the equation for VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into RD plus RS. So this is about the MOSFET biasing. Thank you.